Guys, join me as I stock my Red Bull mini fridge with a bunch of Red Bull. And I have a lot of Red Bull now. Starting off with the bottom shelf, I organized them by sugar-free, tropical, which so far is my favorite, then watermelon, and then back to sugar-free. For the top shelf, I lined it all up with Red Bull Classic flavor. Very stylish, gotta keep the classics on top where everyone can see them. The top shelf actually holds more Red Bull than the bottom shelf, I noticed. I was able to stack 3 deep instead of 2. Now line it all up, get those logos facing forward as best I can. I think this is looking pretty good to me. What do you think?